the reverse lunge, and I'll show you the faults as well. So we've come off of the ring. So we're stepping back. The back heel is nice and tall. The back knee is touching the ground, and you want to still stay fairly upright with your torso. So as you step back, you want to pause for a second after you've reached back with your foot, so that you have a good sense of balance as before we get into this movement. And we're bending both the front and the back knee as you're going down. And we are still trying to use the front leg just a little bit more, maybe 60% front, 40% back, maybe a little bit more. As we're standing up, we're pressing through the front leg and bringing the back foot back to the starting position. So a fault that we might see is once you've stepped back, putting too much pressure in this back leg will demand a lot more from the back, the thigh and the knee of this back leg without using this front foot enough. So there's a big imbalance in how much weight is shifted towards the back. So I'd much rather you have at most 50-50 front leg, back leg. But optimally, you might use your front leg a little bit more. So this next fault is, the previous one was we shifted too much weight onto the back leg. This next fault is we're shifting way too much weight on this front leg, which is causing us to lean forward and push our butt back way too far. So we do want to keep a fairly upright position with your back. I slowed it down for you guys a little bit. So we're stepping back, the back knee bends, we're on your toes for your back foot, a little bit more weight on the front foot compared to the back, but a good balance. Stepping back up to the top. This is the reverse lunge. Eventually, you'll be holding some weights. You could be holding a weight in each hand. You could be holding a weight in each hand up to your shoulder. You could be holding a bar across your back or a bar in front of your chest or over your head. But we want to get this movement with just your body weight down first before we add some weight.